What is the sustainable ecosystem? Sustainability is the endurance of the system and process, which is defined as the sustainable development of an ecosystem. In the last 30 years, the economic development of China has made a big impact to the environment, especially in our cities. The ecosystems have suffered from significant damage on the environmental perspectives. In order to take deliberate steps to improve the sustainability in the city, there are increasing needs to transform the city landscape. The Green City Park is a visible solution to improve the microclimate at the urban community, and apparently an accessible ecosystem for all. The reason why we built those parks is that human has brought so much damage on the environment. Building city parks can solve those problems: the polluted air, the vulnerable resources, and the isolation between human and nature. The park I'm visiting now is the Qingfeng Park, which is located at Beijing CBD area. Qingfeng Park was built in 2009. It is composed of the East Park and the West Park, with a total length being 700 meters and an area being 26.7 hectares. The park falls into two major areas, which are the North Water Landscape Area and the South Green Ecological and Cultural Area. There are a lot of people who enjoy coming to this park. You can find them jogging, running, dancing, and toddlers are learning to walk. Surrounded by the jungle of cement and steel, it is only here that you can breathe fresh air and get closer to the nature. There are a lot of plants and animals within this beautiful landscape. You can find a variety of plants, trees, and flowers blossoms in the late autumn season. You can also find some birds, butterflies, and worms in this North China City Park. What a nice and quiet place. Making a city park has never been easy. Due to the high density and scarcity of the land use, the renovation and restoration of the city park would need a lot of scientific measures, intensive investment, and strong environmental consciousness. The botanical scientists, landscape architects, and civil engineers have made a lot of efforts to make this area attractive and more sustainable, such as the beautiful garden, the waterfront, and the river itself. All look in harmony with each other, so that they composed of the macro environment that humans live peaceful together. You can never enjoy the public space in a NIMBY, not in my backyard attitude. Thus, proper and simple local action like garbage disposal would need to be aware by everybody. Remember that good environmental quality and ecosystem is built, protected, and enjoyed by every citizen. I interviewed 6 people who come to this park from different countries. Most of them mentioned that they all enjoyed coming to the Green City Park. The environment here.
The park itself looks very nice, yeah. I've been here first time, so it's a bit unusual for me because I see a lot of foreigners here, because normally I only see Chinese people, but here I see a lot from the embassies, so French.
Think about the environment here.
It's pretty good one.
And what do you think about the effect that human makes to this environment?
This is a public park for their residents for free.
Yeah.
And I wish China has more public park like this, so the people and the neighborhood, the society can enjoy.
You mean the pollution, or yeah, mainly the pollution? Yeah, I mean we're from Sweden, so it's a very, very clean environment. So this is very kind of like polluted air, so on. But I mean the environment is very clean, like like on the ground, no garbage, so it's beautiful that way, but the air is kind of polluted, and that's a problem, I think.
Animals are important parts of the ecosystem. The reason why more variety of animals is hardly found in this area is that human activities and bad behaviors sometimes interfere the animals. People take away the food of birds, and no squirrels are able to survive in this area. On the other hand, people throw garbage into the water and on the grass so carelessly, so the dirty water doesn't accommodate other animals or birds in favor of clean to live comfortably. Besides, it is observed that the water body is drastically eutrophic. The plenty of algae and microorganisms will take away the oxygen that fish lives on. Some of the algae are even poisonous, which can cause the fish to die. In that sense, we should consider effective scientific application to solve unsustainability issues. Measures like water body monitoring, artificial bird's nest, pest control are all necessary to be used. Do you like city parks? Would you like to join me to contribute to the sustainable ecosystem?